Okay, so I've posted a tutorial for this is what autumn feels like before, and it was primarily finger picking. It was also on an acoustic, but this one will be a little bit more chord driven. I've removed the capo just to make it a little bit easier. I'm playing on a classical right now. I just enjoy playing this one right now. So the chords again will be all on the A, D, G string. This is 5, 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, open, open, 5, 5, 4, 7, 7, 5, oh, 7, 7, 6, 9, 9, 7, 12, 12, 11. And then again together, played out as chords. So all together, I will give it a go. I'd probably play it a little bit slower, just the strumming pattern of it. So something like this. Love is a walk in the park, that's how I feel at the start, pretty until it gets dark. Love is a walk in the park, till you get bit by a dog, I never knew you could bark. When the seasons change, you won't feel the same at all, because summertime